So today's video we are going to check whether it's worth buying the Telegram Premium app, you understand, or the premium feature on Telegram. So let's go through step by step. He said when you buy the premium feature, you can save stories to your gallery, expiry options. You can just set it to 48 hours for your story to expire, permanent view history, priority order, get more views as your stories are always displayed first, links and formatting. You have longer captions as compared to the normal Telegram. And with the normal Telegram you can post, I think, 7 posts in a week, but with this one it's unlimited. Okay, and you can join 1,000 groups, you can pin 10 chats, you can reserve public links, I think 20 public links. That's nice. And your bio, you can include links in your bio. I think so far Telegram is on another level. I'm just hoping WhatsApp may inculcate this factor into their app, because the benefit you are getting from Telegram Premium is worth it. But $2.41 is per month is something, and they have the voice to text conversation, which is on another level. It's very high, and it's very effective, as you can see over here. And you are getting faster download speed, no limit to that as compared to the normal Telegram. As you can see the speed, and for me that I'm using 5G, you can just imagine how fast I can download on Telegram Premium, you understand? So, and real-time translation, with the normal Telegram, when you want to translate, when someone, okay, let me just go to this and just show you how the translation of the normal Telegram is like. Normal Telegram, you see, this is French. I just have to copy this. After copying this, I come here, I paste it here, then I tap on this. With the premium one, you can see it's very fast. You just have to just tap on this and you can translate it. And we have the animated emojis, where the emojis are into motion. Okay, I think this is fun. It's very fun. Yes. And we have 4G upload size, increased upload size from 2 GB to 4 GB per document, unlimited storage overall. Yes, true. With normal Telegram you can upload more than 2 GB. The 2 GB where the video, movie or something, but this time around it's increased to 4G, and I think it's good. Is it worth it? Yes. You are paying $2.41 every month, and you are going to pay $28 per year. So it's up to you to decide. So you have the emoji status, where you can add emojis to your names, and when you check on Telegram, most people have done that, which means they've subscribed to the particular they've subscribed to it, and I think it's a nice feature. But with WhatsApp you can do this without any hesitance. But with this one the emojis are in motion, unlike WhatsApp where they are static. So we have the profile badge. After buying the package, you are given the profile badge to show that you've subscribed to the package. Okay, and we have the advanced chat management. Choose to set the default folder, auto archive, and hide new chat from new contact. Okay, it's a nice feature there. You can hide new chat, unlike when you check my chat box, people I don't know, chatting and stuff, it makes everything messy. So with this one, I think it's a nice feature over here. No more ads in public channels, where Telegram sometimes show ads. Wow. Okay, that's nice. And we have premium app icons. Choose from a selection of Telegram app icons for your home screen. Okay, so you can choose any of these apps for your home screen rather than the old Telegram icon we have. And said infinite reaction. react to thousands of images using multiple reactions per message. Wow. I think Telegram is going to be fun with regards to the new system set in place, especially those with a premium pack. It's going to be fun just looking at how you can test and other stuff. And even recently introducing the status has given them, I think, an edge, you understand, in the market. So after going through with me, it's up to you to decide whether it's worth buying or not worth buying. Okay, and it said animated profile pictures. I think this is way beyond my imagination. You know, your profile picture can be kind of a video form, animated. Yeah, sure. So as you can see over here, wow, this is very nice, and I didn't see it coming. I think the advertisement is on another level, and it's a premium stickers, exclusive and large stickers featuring additional effects, updated monthly. Wow. So the whole overview of this thing is, if you could watch clearly, you could see Telegram is more focused on the emojis, on the emoji side, you understand, because emojis sometimes helps make our chat more simpler and more fun. So with all this in place, is it worth buying this particular package, and is the pricing okay? Okay, fine. So let's take it step by step. I'll just be saying two things after all. It's worth buying it, especially if you're business, if you're using it for business, like you are using it for business or for fun, and you want to get all this. I think it's worth buying it. And the pricing is okay, $2.14. It's not 41 cents. It's not bad, but I'll appreciate it if they had done it $1.51, so that each and every person can have access to it. But looking at the way things are going, I don't think this price is going to last long. Maybe with time they might increase the price. So if you want to buy it, you have to just look sharp and buy it now that the price is affordable, until you wait for the next future. So thanks for watching the video, and if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button, so I'll be bringing you videos and updates like this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.